roof, you were standing alone, just as if you were caught in a daze. I know all the love we had before. Guess I will never find it anymore.
もう何もかもおしまいにしちゃおう。しまいにしちゃおう。誰も期待に沿うこともないような灰色の毎日を全勝。Words will come out to say to get a little way。向かうのは嘘のまとめ合いかきしみとめ合いか。
Listening to the words I swallow down, the world stops spinning round, catching a breath I stroll to down. Follow the twinkling stars that fill the sky. Inside this lonely night, it's hard to stifle all my cries. Forgetting everything that happened yesterday, I still can't remember what tomorrow was supposed to be. Ah fuck, it hurts me, you know. Even though you heard every single word that I said, now you know I hate you, oh. But my words disappear and then I'm watching you go. Love, a bluff, enough is enough. Everything that you're saying now so different from the words you said before. I don't think I can take it anymore, so I'll send this goodbye off to you. On the roof, stretching far up in the night, silhouette disappearing from sight. That's right.
That's right.
All the words I said before, guess you'll never hear them anymore.
君のそれはもう届かない。誰に借りた言葉だい。その泣き叫ぶような演技すらどっかの誰かの介護か。突き吐いてもい It's gonna be careful 願いそうな Sarah because we're in the sun Remains on the past cause it's out of water down I wish that wasn't fake シェイクバックずっとバしてもずっとなしで犠牲にまみれたすぐなしめ全部溶かして錬して錆びたドーナツと溶かしたドーナツ Words will come out to say to guide it away
Even though I was there I just couldn't get through I'll ignore you more and more cause you know even now I can even think of letting go of you Fuck, it hurts, enough is enough Ringing inside my ears every single word you said that day I don't think I can take it anymore Even hearing your voice go away Hey! Every single word I wish you'd say Fill me to the brim again Draining it away, it's bye Isn't this what I've always wanted? Sitting in a pub long ago All the pieces that broke, is it mine, is it yours, I don't know It's all inside the darkest part of my heart Locked away, there is everything I wanted to say What a shame, it's all too late If I only had known that sooner Fuck, it hurts me, you know All of you, all the things in here you share Words won't come out to say and get in the way Even though you could hear my voice resounding that day All the hate, and even today It's so close to your ears until it fades away Stop, it hurts, enough is enough Everything that I know is now so different from the stuff I knew before I really cannot take it anymore So I'll say this goodbye like I should Let's listen, let's have an elegy tonight for good Just as I was about to take my shoes off on the rooftop, there I see a girl with braided hair here before me. Just by myself, I go and scream, hey, don't do it, please. Whoa, wait a minute, what did I just say? I couldn't care less either way. To be honest, I was somewhat pissed. This was an opportunity missed. The girl with braided hair told me her woes. You've probably heard it all before. I really thought that he might be the one, but then he told me he was done. For God's sake, please, are you serious? I just can't believe that for some stupid reason you got here before me. Are you upset? Cause you can't have what you wanted. You're lucky that you've never gotten robbed of anything. I'm feeling better, thank you for listening. The girl with braided hair then disappeared. Alright, today's the day or so I thought. Just as I took both of my shoes off, there was but a girl short as can be. Just by myself I go and scream. The petite girl told me her woes. You've probably heard it all before. Everyone Everyone ignores me, everyone steals. I don't fit in with anyone here. For God's sake, please, are you serious? I just can't believe that for some stupid reason you got here before me. 'Cause even so, you're still loved by everyone at home. There's always dinner waiting on the table, you know. I'm hungry, so the girl she shouted to. The girl short as can be then disappeared. And like that, there was someone every day. I listened to the tale, I made them turn away. And yet there was no one who would do this for me. No way I could let out all this pain. For the very first time there I see someone with the same pains as me. Having done this time and time again. She wore a yellow cardigan. I just wanna stop the scars that grow.